The next one is called as twisted pair cable connectors. In twisted pair cable connectors, we are having different two types of cable, UTP and STP. And UTP using here, a connector is called as RJ45U connector here. This connector is directly connected to your back panel of the computer. This is the female port. This is the male connector used in the computer for UTP. This is directly connected to NIC in the system. And one more is there, that is called as D shell, which is having 9 pin. Okay, D shell 9 pin connector, which is used for STP cables. These are little bit expensive compared to our UTP cables.